already know, Big Charlotte. You know what I'm saying? Big KK Sock. We finna, you know, shut it down in Bojangles. You might as well call this the Sound Machine Arena, because that's what's about to happen. You feel me? Yes, sir.
With North Carolina Central University and D.O.A. Now they just started it off. Hopefully somebody do something better. But until further notice, this is my favorite band of the day, y'all. No deductions over here.
Y'all better give it up.